Oh my. There, yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a 4 or 5 pounder. Oh yeah. Come here, baby. Don't you do it. Whoa. I saw you too. I saw you swirl at it. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, come here. Come to daddy. Yes, sir. That's what we came out here for. Topwater fish right off the tree. He came out. He wanted it fast too, buddy. He wanted it fast. Deep South rod, Elite Series. Landed that 4.5, 5 pounder just fine. Nice and finesse, 8-pound line, Rebel Pawpaw Anniversary Edition. And that is a nice looking fish right there. Very healthy, very good looking.